Show me your best friend Instagram change story. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. So here, as you can see, I already added my show me your best friend add yours button, so I'll show you how to do it too. So from here you have to go out and you have to click on the search icon from the bottom of the page and search for Ali and John YTT. So go to this account right here and you have to click on story trends, add highlights, and if you go to my story, then my story will expire in just a few hours, so it's better for you to go to story trends, add highlights. So make sure to do that, and from here you just have to click until you find the desired sticker. Okay, so it's this one right here, and then you just have to click on the add yours button, and from here you have to click on your uploads, which is at the left bottom corner, and choose a photo with your best friend. So I will go ahead and choose this photo right here, and it doesn't have to be very beautiful because it's just an example for you guys. And from here you have to make your sticker bigger or smaller, and you can place it where you want, and then you just have to click on send to and then click on share to your story and then hit on done. So yeah guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can smash that like button and subscribe to our channel. And also, if you have some questions, you can go ahead and ask them in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.